Want those wide 3D shoulders that pop through any shirt? This quick routine hits every angle in just minutes. 1. Seated dumbbell shoulder press. Sit on a bench with back support. Hold dumbbells at shoulder level. Press them upward with control. Squeeze your shoulders at the top and slowly return to the start. Do 4 sets. Start light, then increase weight in the next 3 sets, 10 to 12 reps. 2. Plate front raises. This targets the front deltoid. Grab a weight plate with both hands and stand tall. Raise it in front of you until it reaches shoulder height. Hold for a second, then lower slowly. Perform 3 sets, 10 to 15 reps each 3. Standing barbell shoulder press. This compound move hits all 3 heads of the deltoid and also works your triceps. Hold the barbell at shoulder height and press it straight up. Lower under control. Do 3 sets, 8 to 12 reps 4. Dumbbell lateral raises essential for building width. Use light dumbbells and raise your arms out to the sides, keeping a slight bend in your elbows. Stop at shoulder height, then lower slowly. 3 sets plus 1 drop set. 12 to 15 reps 5. Barbell upright rows. Hold the barbell with a close grip. Pull it upward, keeping it close to your body until your elbows rise above shoulder level. Control it back down. Complete 3 sets, 10 to 12 reps. 6. Machine reverse flies. This hits the rear delts and upper back. Sit facing the machine. Grab the handles and pull them back while squeezing your shoulder blades. Return slowly. Do 3 sets, 12 to 15 reps.